Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So today's a pretty special one. We're going to be opening up this thing from ACEDC, but before we get into that, I reviewed this thing. I think it's called the Nuke Slider in the previous video. Make sure to check this out. It's on my channel. I think it's the video previous to this one. And yeah, it's a pretty cool slider, so yeah, check it out. It's on my channel. Just click my channel link and then you'll see it there. But yeah, let's get right into this one. I like the new designs that ACEDC is making. So you see like a lot of the fidgets that they have, the spinner, the gamer circle. I forget what this one's called, but yeah. Anything else? So this is the donut mini, zirconium polished, and 58 grams. All right, let's try it out. Really excited about this one. Again, make sure to check out G1 down below. I'll leave a link to their site and the product page for this product as well. You can use my code DailyDoseOfFidgets to get 10% off your entire order. Yeah, all right, here we got this thing. It's an extra like bearing for the outer shell. Pretty cool. And here is the donut Zirc. All right. That's that. I'm gonna put it away. I wanted to try one of these for the longest time. Like ever since I got into fidgets. This thing's been on my mind. There we go. Really, really shiny, polished Zirc. It's a mini version of the haptic coin that they do. 56 grams. And to be honest, you guys, I have not had a haptic coin for a really long time. Well, I just had the NJT stuff, but I just sold mine not too long ago. Yeah. All right, let's see. This is amazing. Yeah, this thing's good. I like it. You can be quiet or loud with it. All right, let me open it up. Yeah, here we go. Six magnets on each side, and a magnet in the middle. Like a pivot, and then I'm bearing in the outer shell. Oh man, this thing sounds good. It's weird, like it doesn't feel heavy but not light, and it's just like nice crisp sound. Zirc is like one of the best materials for haptic coins. It's not too loud and it's not too deep. It's like perfect, like the NJT hand power Zirconium coin. Amazing. I love that thing. I'm gonna get that again in the future, but like the looks were amazing on that thing. The patterns, but these snaps were a bit too loud if you would do it multiple times. But this thing, for somebody with sensitive ears, would definitely get like annoyed. But me, I think I can handle this. You can, and if you're not like a too loud fidget kind of guy, you can do this. It can be perfectly quiet. All right, let's see how loud it is. $82. $84. In quiet mode, 61. I guess right now the only other coin thing I have to compare it to is I have a coin from the Metal Toys page, this company, Top C in Zirconium, but this is mechanical, it's not magnetic. I think they do have a, what's it called, a mechanical version, but I'm gonna review that later on. But this is really good so far. I am enjoying it. Would definitely recommend. Oh, hold on. It's got this like nice bounce of a click. The only other haptic one I had that was magnetic, that's in Zerg, was the Black Kitty black hole in Zerg, in Olos Zerg, I mean. It was pretty good, but yeah, I also saw that pretty recently. Did want to, but yeah, I had to. But this right here is nice. It's different from both NJT and Black Kitty, but it's good in a way. Definitely not a fidget you want to use in front of people when you're at home or like somewhere where people are not around. It's a nice clicking fidget. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's, yeah, nice clicks. Here, let me wipe it off with all my fingerprints and skin oils. And this thing just looks good, but I would definitely recommend it. Size comparison, AirPods. If you guys have these, this is how big it is. But yeah, again, I will leave a link to this thing down below, to G1. You can use my code Fidgets to get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, I just love the sound. But yeah, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not. I have a lot of new cool videos coming pretty soon. And yeah, stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.